Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can delete administrator account from your Windows 10 or 11. Okay, so guys, let's start the video. I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so if you have server user or few user in your window, more than one user, so you can make one administrator account and you can delete your existing administrator account. Okay, you can't delete directly administrator account, your current administrator account, so you need to create another administrator account. If you don't have, then you can delete existing. Okay, so I will show you how you can do this. Okay, so come to the search and go to the settings. Okay, here we need to go in accounts. So this is my administrator account. Okay, this is my main account, and if I scroll down, so here in the other users I can see the another account. If I have only one another account, okay, which is account type is standard user. Okay, so if you want to delete, if I want to delete this main account as administrator account, so first I need to make other account as a admin account. Okay, so you can create new account from here, or you can select existing account and go to the change type and make it administrator account this and click OK. Then restart your computer. Then this account you can see here, okay, in main administrator account, and then go to the other user and the another main account, the first main account you can see here. Then you need to just click on this option, this down arrow, and just remove it. Okay, after remove, it's asking it will be delete personal account. You remove all data from this PC including items, their desktop, download, documents, photo, other things. You need to read carefully and just delete account and data. You need to select that. Okay, this is the first method. Second method, go to the control panel. Okay, same, you need to make it small icon, and here you need to go in user account. Here you can see your administrator account here. So now we need to go in this manage other account, so you can see all your account, administrator account and other account. Okay, so if you want to delete this, if I click on this administrator account, you can see there is no any option to delete. Okay, but if I select another account which is local account, I have option here to delete account. Okay, so if you want to your current administrator account, so first you need to select another account and make it go to the change the change the account type. Click here and make it as the administrator account, and you need to click that change account type. After that you need to come here and refresh and restart your computer, and you can see this account as an administrator account and this account as a local account. Now you can select this like this, and you can see here option called delete account, then you can delete it. Okay, like this. So in short you need to make another administrator account to delete your existing current administrator account. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.